everyone, welcome back to another video here on Steps to Glam. Today we are diving into the world of powders because finding the right one can honestly be a bit of challenge. There are so many options out there: mattifying, smoothing, translucent, loose, pressed. If you are feeling lost, don't worry. I put together this ultimate powder guide to help you figure it out what your skin really needs. And if you enjoyed my videos, I'd love it if you gave this one a like and hit the subscribe button. So let's get into it, and here is how to choose the perfect powder for you. How to choose a face powder. When choosing a face powder, it's essential to consider your skin tone, the desired effect, and how you plan to use it. First, we have powders based on skin type and desired effect. If you have oil and combination skin, go for mattifying, setting, or compact powder that control shine and extend the wear of your makeup. Dry or mature skin, smoothing or illuminating powder are ideal. They won't dry out your skin and will add a natural glow. With sensitive skin, choose a mineral powder with a natural formula. It's gentle and hypoallergenic. And with normal skin, you have more flexibility. Focus mainly on the effect you want to achieve. If you're not sure about your skin type, I made a video about it. I'll link in the description. Based on usage. For home use, loose powder is a great option, ideally a setting or translucent powder that locks your makeup in place. And for on the go, compact powder is practical, it fits easily in your handbag and it's perfect for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Now, powders based on shade and coverage. Translucent powder, it's colorless, suitable for all skin tones and great universal choice. Tinted powder, choose a shade that matches your foundation or it's one shade lighter. Test it on the edge of your jawline and neck. And coverage level, mineral powders, highest coverage, great even without foundation. And translucent powder has no coverage, just for setting and mattifying. And now powders based on seasonal selection. In summer, it's obvious that you have to go for a darker shade of powder, and in winter for a lighter one. If you're still not sure, go with a translucent setting powder. It blends beautifully with your makeup and gives a velvety matte finish. And now how to choose the right one and complete guide and tips and use. Let's dive deep into the world of powders and how to pick the perfect one for your needs. First one, we have a powders by texture. Loose powder, a lightweight powder, ideal for setting makeup, especially for oily skin. It absorbs excess oil, mattifies the skin and leaves it beautifully smooth. As mentioned before, it's more suitable for home use than for on-the-go touch-ups. Pressed powder, a compact powder, perfect for travel and quick touch-up throughout the day. It helps cover small imperfections and mattifies the skin. Available in both classic and creamy formulas. And now powders by effect and finish. As first, there is a setting powder. Locks your makeup in place, prevents creasing and prolongs its wear. It comes in both loose and pressed forms, often transparent. Translucent powder, pigment-free and suitable for nearly all skin tones. It doesn't add an extra layer, sets makeup beautifully and leaves it velvet finish. On very deep skin tones, it may leave a slightly greenish cast. Mattifying powder, perfect for oily or combination skin. It absorbs excess sebum, mattifies and helps prevent clogged pores. Tinted or coverage powder contains pigments that cover redness, acne or uneven skin tone, a great lightweight alternative to foundation. Illumination powder, adds a healthy glow, reflects light, and reduces the appearance of pores and fine lines. Great for dull or mature skin. Blurring powder creates a soft focus effect, smooth skin texture, and minimizes the look of pores. Often used just on the center of the face. Comes in white, peachy, or pink hues. Bronzing powder creates a sun-kissed look, adds warmth to the face, can be used for contouring or even instead of blush. Mineral powder, natural product made from finely melt minerals, covers imperfection while looking natural. It nourishes the skin and provides some sun protection, often used as a lightweight alternative to foundation. Tinted powder includes pigments, sometimes even multiple shades in one compact. It unifies the skin tone and adds a touch of color to your makeup. Powder spirals. Colored pressed powders in pearl shade balls applied with a brush. Great for adding a quick glow or for subtle contouring. Cruelty-free and vegan powder. Not tested on animals and free from animal-derived ingredients. Perfect ethical choice for conscious beauty lovers. Choosing a powder depends on the effect you want to achieve and what your skin needs. Mattifying, smoothing, brightening, or coverage. With this guide, I hope you'll never feel lost in the powder aisle again. How to apply powder correctly. To make your powder look natural and work effectively, both the type of powder and the application method matter. Application technique. Always apply powder from the center of the face outward, from the nose to the cheeks, forehead, and chin. You can use a brush, puff, or sponge, depending on the finish you want to achieve. Apply only a light layer, less is more. The goal is to set and unify the makeup and not create a mask. And where to apply powder? Focus mainly on the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, where the skin tends to get oily. A slightly dewy finish is trendy now, so you don't have to mattify your whole face. Before an evening event, don't forget to lightly powder your neck, cleavage, and even back, if visible, for an even skin tone. And now I have a tip for oily skin. Before applying powder, always blot excess oil with blotting powder or tissue. This prevents heavy buildup and clogged pores. For pressed powder, you can use the included sponge, dry for a light matte finish, or damp for more coverage and better adhesion. Great for quick daytime touch-ups. For the most natural and even application, a high-quality brush is ideal. A smaller, round or flat brush is great for detailed work under the eyes and around the nose. A large fluffy brush quickly applies a thin, even layer all over the face. Always top off the excess powder before applying. You can also apply powder with a puff. Press it gently into the skin to set makeup perfectly and extend its wear. Then lightly sweep away any excess with a brush for a more natural look. And of course, a hygiene matter. This is essential and often overlooked. Wash and dry your brushes, sponges, and puffs regularly and thoroughly. It prevents skin irritation and extends the life of your tools. Whether you go for translucent powder, compact one for your handbag, or mineral powder for full coverage, the most important thing is that it works for you, for your skin and your lifestyle. Don't overdo it with the powder. Just a little touch on the right place can instantly make you look fresh, polished, and confident. I hope that this video helped you to navigate the world of powders and that it leads you to your new makeup bestie. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming educational video. And if you are not following me on Instagram, definitely check it out. You'll find me there as Steps to Glam. So that's it for this video. I can't wait to see you in another one, and until then, take care and stay gorgeous.